नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपना चहिता चैनल योगा एंड माच मोर पर। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं योगा फॉर बिगिनर्स सीरीज़ में पार्ट 3 और यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे कुछ नेक यानी गर्दन के आसन या सूक्ष्म व्यायाम के बारे में।
सो फ्रेंड्स, वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। आप अंत तक इस वीडियो को देखिए और अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो हमारे चैनल को तो तुरंत कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन में जाके ऑल टैब सिलेक्ट करना भी ज़रूरी है दोस्तों।
एब्सोल्युटली, तो हम शुरू करते हैं बहुत जल्दी। आपको वीडियो को अंत तक देखते रहना है। We will begin the practice with a prayer that gives us a sense of submission, a sense of surrender, and makes us more receptive to the divine blessings of yoga. You can do the same by saying a prayer of your choice, a prayer that you connect with love and devotion.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। शांति शांति शांति।
Now we will practice few important asanas for our neck. The first asana is about forward and backward neck movement. Do sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana, and also if you are not comfortable you can sit in some other asanas you are comfortable with. And both your hands should be resting on your knees in Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Keep the eyes closed. Keep your spine straight. Inhale slowly and continue drawing the head back side as far as possible. Hold for a second or two. Feel the stretch in the back of the neck muscle. Then with slow exhalation bring the head to front such that the chin touches the chest. Hold for a second or two. Do the forward and backward neck movements with a comfortable stretch and do not overdo it. Repeat such moves at least 10 times for better results. The next asana that we will do is sideways tilt neck movements. Remain seated in similar position. Keep your spine straight. Inhale first and with slow exhalation take the head to right side such that the right ear trying to touch the right shoulder, but touching is not necessary. Now be aware not to raise the right shoulder. Inhale slowly and bring the neck to the center. Pause for a second or two and then with slow exhalation tilt the head to the left side shoulder such that the left side ear trying to touch the left side shoulder, but again it is not mandatory to touch. Now be alert not to raise the left side shoulder. Repeat this for minimum 10 rounds or sets for better relaxation. While stretching, do it comfortably but don't overstretch. The next asana we will do is neck rotation asana, clock and anti-clockwise. For that, sit in the similar position. Bring your head down to the right side shoulder slowly. Inhale and go back as far as possible. Keep going back, and as you reach the left side shoulder, take a pause for a second and then come down with slow exhalation. Come down, and as you reach right side this completes one cycle. Then you can do it reverse way. Come down, exhale slowly. Now inhale, go back as far as you can stretch, go back, come to the side, this completes one cycle. So that way you can do 10 or more rounds as per your comfort level. After you have practiced these asanas, keep the neck straight and eyes closed for a while and relax. Be aware of and try to notice the sensations in the neck and head region. Wind up the practice session with a mantra chanting or prayer with which you feel connected.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya Shanti Shanti Shanti.
During the practice of these asanas, keep your awareness on your breath and the movements. If you feel dizziness for any reason during the practice of these asanas, take a break and relax. Practice next only when you feel comfortable. Some caution. Number 1. Such asanas are not to be performed by people with high or low blood pressure, vertigo or extreme cervical spondylitis. Number 2. Expert advice and guidance must be sought in case of any issue. Number 3. Cervical spondylitis patients should avoid forward bending. Some of the benefits of performing these asanas. We all must be knowing that connecting nerves of different organs and limbs in our body pass through the neck region. Therefore, if due care is not taken, the muscles of the neck and shoulder accumulate tension, especially after prolonged desk work and for people with sedentary lifestyle. The asanas shown today helps in releasing tension, heaviness and stiffness in the neck, head and shoulder region.
So friends, with this we have come to the end of this video. Please stay connected and keep spreading the positive vibes, and yes, stay awesome.
Yes friends, do check our other videos also in this channel. Link will be there in the description box. And yeah, bye bye for now. Take great care of yourself. We'll catch you very soon. Stay connected. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.
Namaskar.